What innocent thing did your parents hide from you that came back 20 years later? When I was 8, I accidentally discovered why my daily vitamin for anemia always tasted like chocolate. One morning, I caught my mom carefully melting Hershey's Kisses into my iron supplement syrup, stirring it until it blended perfectly. Instead of exposing her, I had a brilliant idea. I suddenly became the kid who loved taking medicine. "Mom, I think I missed my vitamin," I'd announce eagerly. She'd hide her relief, carefully mixing in the chocolate when she thought I wasn't looking. This went on for months. I'd dramatically taste the medicine and say, "Mom, somehow it tastes better every day." She'd beam with pride, thinking she'd finally cracked the code to getting a kid to take medicine without fights. My little sister, who needed the same supplement, eventually caught on. We'd compete over who could be more enthusiastic. "This is the best medicine ever." "No, mine tastes even better." Mom would tell other parents about her miracle children who reminded her about medicine time. They'd beg for her secret, and she'd just smile and say, "Patience and love." 20 years later, I go to same hospital every week where I used to get my iron treatments, but this time for diabetes. The doctor asked about my family history with sugar. That's when Mom finally broke down and confessed. I couldn't help but laugh through tears. "Mom, I knew the whole time, and I'd do it all again."